Now, before we get in and we start to create this next project, I want to introduce you to the project itself and what you're going to accomplish as you go through these next series of lectures. So open in front of you, I've got the example file called sortingrecords.xlsm. Now, this document, when you download it and open it up, you're not going to have all of it done. I've got it done in front of you just to show you and introduce you to what you're going to be doing. Here, I've got a simple little list. It's got a few columns, division, category, and so on. Now imagine a user opens up this document, they look at this list and they decide, you know what, I want to sort this list by category, or I want to sort it by total. Well, normally they would need to go up to your data tab, go into the sort command, and set up the sort. Well, here we are going to automate that experience. I've created a nice little button here. You can create this once you're all done with the project. When the user clicks the sort list button, it's going to prompt them for how they want to sort the list. So I hit the button. This opens up a nice little prompt asking them how they want to sort it. Enter a numeric value to sort. If I type in a 1, it'll sort it by division. A 2, it'll sort it by category. So I type in a 1. Watch my division column. I'll hit OK. And I've now sorted it by division. I hit the button again. This time I want to sort it by category, so I'll type in a 2. I'll hit OK. And I've now sorted it by category. If I hit it again, if I type something that it's not a valid value, doesn't exist, let's say I type in a 4 and I hit OK, I get another prompt on my screen. And you're going to build all of this. Invalid value. Try again. And I get a yes, no button. If I hit yes, it'll ask me to specify once again how they want to sort it. I'll type in a 3, hit OK, and I've now sorted it by total. A nice interactive method automating the experience of sorting a list, making it intuitive, less steps for the user to go through, and more direct. So this is what you're about to accomplish. You're going to do this by creating a procedure. In that procedure, you're going to create variables. You're going to use logic through ifs. You're going to use an input box object and an MSG box or a message box object as well. So get ready. There's going to be quite a bit going on in here, but it's all stuff that you can practice and master and start to implement in real world scenarios within your own work environment. So get ready for the sorting project.